Uh-oh, we just finished our afternoon shopping. Now I'm gonna go home and share my performance for 2024. Hey, Oscar,
Having fun.
got some plants.
Alright, we have come to the end of 2023 going into 2024, and in today's video I want to recap what's happened, the performance of 2023 stock market, my own personal performance, and what I forecast to see going forward into 2024. So just to recap, S&P 500 has been up 24%, Nasdaq up 54%. So if you go back and look at your portfolio year-to-date performance and you've beaten 24, 54, and Nasdaq 54% is a bit freakish because of the Magnificent 7, Apple themselves 48%, Nvidia up 238%. So if you invest around about those Magnificent 7 stocks, you would have done really well this year. But how have I done this year? So this is what I want to share. So for me personally, I've exited the market around about March period because I needed the cash, and I was up by 82%. It's hard to say year to date because I've exited about 4 months in advance. So 82%. But the one that I've been monitoring for the entire year on performance is really, as a hedge fund manager in the house for my kids, is my kid 1 and kid 2. So kid 1, 91%, staggering 91% that I've done really well. And my second kid is about 57%. I've beat S&P, I've beaten the Nasdaq. I've done well as a home hedge fund manager. CAGR, the compound annual growth rate. This is what I see because that's your year-on-year performance. So my first child, 11 years, I've maintained a 16% CAGR, 16% every single on average for the last 11 years. That's a staggering growth of 470%. And for my second child, 15% CAGR, very close, and a growth of 293%. And do you know, if you put $250 or pounds every single month for 18 years and maintain that track record I have of 15% CAGR, you will be gifting your child at the age of 18 £250,000 or dollars, depending where you're from. Let me repeat, 250 a month, maintain 15%, which I've done for the last 11 years, you'll be giving a gift to your kid $250,000 or pounds as a gift when they turn 18. Now, going forward to 2024, what do I expect? Okay, a couple of things I just want to share. First, you have to be cautious. Okay, it's not let's go bull, let's go break run, yeah. We have to be cautious because Chinese recovery is still not happening. We're still going through recovery rate, and with the AI narrative giving them artificial boost globally in 2023, can we sustain it because it's grown quite fast, and all this bullish nature in the first year, the first few weeks of the year cannot be reliable. Remember last year, it was so bearish to the point that we think that everything's going to be doom and gloom, and then we recovered so hard so fast. So give it a full quarter, look at the data. Data is king, the numbers. And number two, we need to be cautious of the employment because a lot of companies like banks, Nike, Disney, they're cutting folks, they're taking them down, they're removing employment, they're reducing the number of headcount to reduce costs because they think generative AI will be replacing a lot of jobs. Something we need to watch whether AI generative capital investment is worthwhile removing the cost down. Are we improving costs? So it's something we need to look about. If employment starts dropping, employment rate meaning people will be out of jobs, we potentially could see the rate cuts happening soon as well. So this is something that you have to revolve around and view in the next few months. And next thing, the other thing to watch out is for the growth stocks in the area where they're making money. I'm not talking about the Mag 7, I'm talking about the growth stocks in the middle zone, in the Shopify, the Uber, the Robinhood, the Palantir. Those are the stocks that might do well with generative AI, with AI narrative that helps improve productivity, boosting clients. This is something we look at because Mag 7 has peaked out a lot, but it's now to see if we really go into bull run, will this growth stock in the medium class nature move ahead of its time as well. And finally, what I want to share, it's hard to navigate the market. It sounds like I'm doing really well, and for some of you, you might have not done well, you might try to replicate. My videos are not helping, trust me. I've seen influencers trying to share real-time trades. It doesn't help. I've done it for years. It doesn't help because whatever I share, whatever I've done well, the next person cannot replicate it. It's very hard. So it's all about building this year. This year going forward 24, it's all about building. Me, I personally has a personal project that I want to help people for free. I built a website called buytrigger.io. I've been working very hard on it, where I will list all the information, all the hot lists of stocks as my journal that I share with people. So you can go to buytrigger.io, the database that I have shared, my buy trigger. You use it as a tool to help you optimize your investment. Okay, use my view, the newspaper views, everything, but at least take my format. You can reuse the way I do it, or use what I share, compare notes, use that. I put it openly. You don't have to wait for my video to release, but I do it live because this is my live journal. This is what I tell myself to do going forward, to put a live journal for anyone to see. Open market, to showcase what I can help everybody. Okay, so this is me going to 2024. All the best to everyone. And if you've done well, beaten the market 24, 56%, well done. Congratulations to you. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, because these skills that you learn could be transferred over to your kids or to the next generation later on. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the best and Happy New Year and welcome 2024.